Thank you for joining us for Targetti enLIGHTen. This product demonstration is on dim to warm and tunable CCT LED strip lights. There seems to be a lot of differences between our dim to warm versus tunable white within the market sector. So what really is the difference between dim to warm and tunable CCT? Well, we have three products that fall within this category: our dim to warm, our tunable CCT, and a new extreme tunable CCT. Let's start with dim to warm technology. There are two products that fall within this category. Our first is a low voltage 24 volt dim to warm strip light. We also have our line voltage 120 volt strip light as well. Dim to warm really means that the LEDs follow a preset dimming curve, starting with the coolest Kelvin temperature LED at the highest intensity, dim down to the warmest color temperature LED at lowest intensity, following a preset dimming curve, basically simulating what we used to find in incandescent lamp technology. Let's go ahead and begin with our low voltage product series. This is again a 24 volt product. It's 2.9 watts per foot, so roughly about 275 maximum lumens out of this product. There are two color temperature ranges within this. You have your warm tones and your cool tones. To start with our warmer tones, you can see I have simulated here our 3000K to 1800K. Starting at my highest intensity, 3000K, I'm going to dim this product down, and you will notice it gets warmer all the way to our 1800K and then proceeds to dim to off. Then dimming back on from our 1800K all the way back up to our full bright maximum intensity at 3000K. Now you can see I'm simulating our cooler temperature range. So this starts at your 6000 Kelvin and will dim down to your 2700K. To begin with, this is maximum intensity, dimming down, you can see as I'm getting warmer and warmer, all the way to our 2700K and then dim to off. Now on, starting at 2700K, dimming and getting cooler at maximum intensity of 6000K. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our line voltage dim to warm product. As you can see, the product is going to have a thicker jacket as it is an all-environment IP65 rated product for use in both indoor and outdoor applications. The benefit of the line voltage is that now you have longer, linear, consistent lengths. You can go a maximum of 164 feet off of one strip because, again, it is a line voltage product with a prom or an ability to tap into a JBAX at the end of the product. And your driver will actually sit inside the product itself. No extra components necessary. This is a fabulous product for use in long, linear run lengths. This product is 3.6 watts per foot and maximum of 290 lumens per foot. Again, maximum run length of 164 feet and two color temperature ranges again. You have your warmer tones from 3000K to 1800K and your cooler tones from 6500K to 2700K. Let's go ahead and take a look at our line voltage cooler temperature range starting at 6500K down to 2700K. This here is showing at maximum intensity of 6500K, dimming down to 27 and off. Then back up from 27 all the way up to our brightest intensity at 6500K. Now let's go ahead and talk about tunable CCT. Tunable CCT allows for full dynamic white light blends and control from cool to warm tones independent of dimming. So this is a two-circuit system where you're able to control the color of your LED and the shifts of your color independent of your dimming curve. This is a fundamental tool for interior well-being of people, most commonly used for dynamic white light environments and circadian rhythm management in schools, healthcare facilities, office buildings, MOB facilities, these sorts of environments. We also see it used in residential interior spaces where you can really control the atmosphere of the restaurant or the interior space that you're trying to achieve to. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at Tunable CCT. Again, this is a low voltage product, 24 volt. It operates on 4.3 watts per linear foot, approximately 305 lumens at full maximum brightness. Two color temperature ranges again. You have your warmer tones from 3500K to 1800K and your cooler tones from 65 to 2700K. I'm demonstrating here, this is my 6500K coolest tone. Here is your warmest tone, 2700K. This technology uses a DMX system and driver to really control those different white blends that you're trying to achieve. As you can see in this preset chase, my dimming is independent of the color of CCT, so I'm really able to get those dynamic white light environments in a low voltage source. Now let's go ahead and talk about our brand new Extreme Tunable CCT product. This is an all-encompassing strip light with full dynamic spectrum of LEDs. You have both RGBA, red, green, blue, and amber, with a tunable CCT 3000 to 6500K in one LED continuous strip light. This really allows to give the designer the freedom to choose from previously unthinkable shades of color without the use of complicated electronic software and systems. This is a DMX controllable product, 24 volt low voltage, and as you can see, I'm going to demonstrate our full red, green, blue, and that beautiful amber, and our CCT colors at 3000K and our 6500K. To demonstrate, I'm going to turn on my 3000K at full brightness, add a little amber, you get that warm hue to it, and maybe we want a little bit of that R9 really rich red value, which I've added a full red to that spectrum. The same goes now for blue. I can add blue with the 3000K and the amber and get a really beautiful hue of lavender. Again, this is a low voltage product at 24 volt, DMX controllable. It is 6.9 watts per linear foot and roughly a maximum of 380 lumens per foot. Our CCT Extreme Tunable really is the extreme of tunable white mixed with color hue saturation. Throughout this demonstration, I've used different profiles with their strip lights to display the lighting on our decorative board and panel. As you can see, this is just an assortment, a small collection of the profiles that we have available. From aluminum profiles with thicker silicone lenses to thinner silicone lenses. You have flush mount profiles, 45-degree profiles, PVC profiles with different lenses with different saturations. You also have available with every single profile a mounting clip as well as an end cap with terminal or without terminal available for each. The possibilities are endless with the different profiles available with each strip within our Duratape range. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!